Hey guys, magandang umaga. We're almost here sa Camp Pandayan. And basically, sumunod lang kami ni Popa because Nash, Ish, and Yen were already here from last night. And ayan, so setting up kami ng awning. It would take you about an hour at least to, get really everything, unload para makapag-set up, settle down, and then what's important during camping is that you find a nice spot, iwas sa patak ng buko, and also iwas sa langgam. So this is our spot, as you can see yung Ford ni Nash, and let's check out now what's Popa's cooking. Whoa!
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna get some one.
Ba tayo malaki? It's raw,
So
right?
now-
Ayun na yung fully white goods.
Okay, so thank you to
Shannon.
what's your name?
Oh?
Okay, anong pangalan mo?
Okay.
Makoy. Okay, Makoy and Shannon. So thanks, Makoy and Shannon. So we're gonna give this to Anne. We got 3 crabs. All right. So Popa cooking kabsa. Inalis lang niya yung mga lamat. Ayan, basmati rice. Tapos ito yung mga ingredients. Pepper. Kanina nag-isa na siya dyan ng kamatis. Saka may tomato paste. Pero syempre, meron sikreto eh.
Tigil na yan!
Ito guys. Yun ang sikreto guys.
Pwede na natin ilagay yan. Dapat na yan.
Kami nag-uuli yan. Kami nag-uuli ng anak. Kami nag-uuli yan.
Okay, Ish, umpisa eh. Ladies first.
Relax muna. Maalon guys. Super lalim for me. So, hey guys, what's up? Time check. So, it's gonna be 6 p.m. So, we took a nap and coffee tayo. Alright? Coffee.
Kita kaya pag nilakasan ko yung ilaw or may
Oh,
hinala?
wait lang.
Maliwanag naman yan. Awesome.
Yun guys, so solid sa mga gusto mag live selling. Hindi, pero pag sa camping, kung gusto nyo sige nga bro pa, yan, pakita namin pinaka-todo kung gaano kaliwanag.
Unang mode.
Yun
Ay, sorry. Yan.
ayun guys, parang Orion walang sinabi yung Orion nyo. Liwanag
Sobra.
oo, kitang kita dito yung Fundador. Ay, Alfonso pala. Ayan.
Sana all.
Lalo na siguro mamaya pag tumilim na.
Yung isa ko na lang parang tingin-tingin. Yung isa, balik-balik mo pa. Lalaro na.
Yun hi pa.
Hi.
Hi Nash. So ito guys, planning for the next trip, Mindoro Loop. Yun.
On. Let's go. About time.
You serious?
How's your... Oh, ang dami na. May malaki ulit? Wala na.
Then he's still
Ah, grabe yung maliliit oh. Inaano na siya, no?
climb.
Yeah.
That's the video.
I'll get your rice.
The night is still young. Dinner time. You know. So, syempre. Sheesh! We got the milk para sa frothing and then, of course, espresso.
We have this Colombian coffee.
So, hindi. Aroma pa.
Roma. Oh, yan ang paborito ko.
Aroma. So, ang laman ata nito ay 10 ba? 10. So, yun. Per pods. Oop. Ayan. Syempre, yung milk natin. Any milk naman pwede, pero
Kailangan full cream. Yun, para
nagpa-froth o yung mga non-fat, ang hirap. So, oops. Yan, may mga manlilipad na oh.
Meron na.
Ayan oh. Eee. So yun guys, powered by our power station. Yun no. And of course our rep.
Yeah. Tapang ito.
The next day.
Hi pa! Okay, of course, kapeng barako tayo. Siyempre, gusto natin yung matapang. Ayan, we're preparing breakfast and after, swimming and then, relaxing sa beach, getting that vitamin D. So, it's time to feed our soul and our tummy. So, yun guys. Okay? And next one is lunch naman. We'll prepare the lunch. So, naka-steak tayo. I'll show you.
Wow! Delicious!
Yummy.
And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you once again, Camp Pandayan, for maintaining the place. There's a toilet here. Bukod yung toilet and then shower room, that's good. There's a sink where you can wash dishes, that's good. Electricity, that's good. They have it here. And of course, medyo mahina lang talaga yung data, so bear with it. But yeah, that's your purpose, to be away from the city, connect with friends, and shared memories, stories, food,
And then yeah, yung mga laughs. And yeah, it was really a great time here, and then we were able to, relax. Kasi kami nga lang, as you can see, wala masyadong tao. So really, na-enjoy namin yung our quiet moments. Okay? So we'll see you on the next one. Sana ba? And once again, thank you, Lord, for the opportunity to travel and camp. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye!